guys, this is Tanika and welcome to Magnolia Home Decor.
Hey guys, it's Tanika and welcome to another segment of Personal Touch presented by Magnolia Home Decor. Today I would like to talk to you about a quartz from MSI. This quartz is called Calacatta, Venice. If you can tell, the background of this quartz is white, but there's some soft, subtle veins of gray in it. So we thought we'd pair this with the Fremantle, and also it can pair really well with the Bisbane. Those are the hardwood floor pairs that we thought would really work well. And if you want to be a little bit daring, you can also pair it with the Kempsey, which is my personal favorite. I think Kempsey works really well with this quartz. But you have 3 different options here to choose from. Of course, there's more, and you can never go wrong using the oak hardwood as well. That always looks good with any color that you choose. So again, this is Calacatta Venice from MSI. The colors Fremantle, Bisbane, and Kempsey all work really well with this, and we just wanted to highlight this quartz today. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can always find us on the web at www.magnoliahomedecor.org or give us a phone call, 678-272-6565. Have a great day.